जुड़े हुए हैं हम लोग एंड वी आर प्राउड ऑफ बीइंग इंडियन. We are joined with our family, our mother, our father and the extended family. इसी तरीके से let us join the numbers together. And when we join the numbers together, that means we add the numbers together. We use a sign because we cannot keep on writing that 2 and 3 is equal to 5. This is very long. To make it shorter, this is the sign which we use. This sign is known as addition sign or plus sign. Now I am going to teach you how do we use this plus sign with the help of slides, where you are going to listen to my voice and the slides will keep on moving.
In our previous classes, we learned how to count and recount. Then we did count and count ahead. As I told you that we can use a plus sign and we can perform the addition. So let us see how these things go. Let's count and find the total. What is total? When we add few things, they are put together. So that's the total of those objects or the number. Addition is all about putting together, combining, finding the total in all. Three candies and 2 candies are equal to 5 candies. This is what we did in count and recount. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Count and recount. So when we do this, we write it like this: 3 candies and 2 candies are equal to. So we are writing the full line in this. Now this are equal to can be replaced. Replaced by what? Let us see. How many together? There are 3 candies and 2 candies is equal to. So instead of writing the whole line, we can put equal to sign. Is equal to 5 candies. So instead of writing are equal to, I have put this sign here. Now when we do addition, we need to learn to use the signs, and for addition, as I showed you, we have a plus sign. So how do we write these? We are going to write it like this: 3 candies plus 2 candies. Why? Because Here we have 3 candies. It's a group of 3 candies. We are adding them to group of 2 candies. 3 candies and 2 more candies. So we are putting a plus sign here. This is the plus sign. Is equal to 5 candies. Hope you are understanding how we are shifting from writing a line to using mathematical terms or mathematical signs. Plus sign is used when we add the numbers or the objects together. Let us take another example. 4 stars and 3 stars are equal to. So what am I going to do here? We will see shortly. 7 stars. Now in this, whether you count ahead or count and recount, both ways is correct. So what do? R equal to की जगह we are going to use this plus sign. So 4 stars and 3 stars equals or equal to 7 stars. Now what will I do? I have to put a plus sign, and you know what? Whenever we have this plus sign, we can easily make out that we have to add these numbers. So the sign also help us to find out or judge that what we are going to do with these numbers. So 4 stars plus 3 stars. See, I have put this plus sign. Now you know that there are 4 stars and I am adding 3 more stars to it. So they are 7 stars. Very important point. When we talk about 4 stars and 3 stars, so 4 and 3 are called as addends. Now what are addends? Addends are those numbers which we are adding, which are being added, and 7 is the sum. That means 7 is the final answer. So the answer of addition is called as sum. We have to understand and keep these two terminologies in our head. Let us take another example. There are 3 cars and 3 more cars. So what will I write? 3 plus 3. 3 plus 3. How much? It is 6. So total there are 6 cars. Total there are 6 cars. Now we are going to do a few more examples. Let us take this. 2 apples plus 2 apples equals how many apples? You can count and check. You can count and check. 1, 2, 3, 4. So there are 4 apples. Here I am doing count and count ahead. Let us take one more. 5 apples plus 3 apples. So 5, 6, 7, 8 equals to 8. Let's do the another example. 3 apples plus 2 apples. So 3, 4, 5. The answer should be equal to 5 apples. Next, we have 1 apple plus 2 apples. So 1, 2, 3. So the sum should be 3 apples. Using the plus sign make it very easy to understand what we are doing in a particular question. Hope you all have understood this. Page number 54. Again we are doing how many together. But remember this, introducing the plus sign. So, there are 4 flowers and mouse gave 3 more flowers. 4 plus 3, 7 flowers. 4 plus 3, 7 flowers. Now, look at this picture. How many tiny cats are there? They are cats? No, they are dogs. How many dogs are there? There are 1, 2, 3, 4. And what are they doing? They are licking the milk. So look at my PowerPoint. 4 dogs are licking the milk. 2 more dogs are joining in. That makes them to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 dogs all together. 6 dogs all together. The boy is having 4 marbles, red marbles, and then he is having 4 more yellow marbles. How many all together? 4 plus 4 is 8. 4 plus 4 is 8. So there are 8 marbles all together. Have you ever played with marbles? They are quite interesting to play with.